On Saturday, the Marshall Farms family came by and picked me up, and I rode with them to Country Girl Creameries. Danny had to stay here at the farm because we were waiting on a serviceman. We got there, DeLane was wanting chocolate milk, so was I, but I also wanted regular milk and some yogurt to start making my own yogurt. So we got there, DeLane got his chocolate milk, and we stashed them in the cooler to keep everything fresh. And while we were there, we walked around, looked at the setup, and I'm going to show you a few pictures of some of the things that we did. We saw at the end, but they're an old-fashioned milking station. They milk their Jersey cows with some older equipment that looks awesome. You get to watch the milk go into a glass jar. And so we didn't get to see them milk today, but we did get to walk around and see all the process, all their whole setup. Elijah got to play in some of the things around and had a ball playing in some of them. And then we took a ride through the field to a backfield where they have their Jersey cows for the day eating grass, and it was a wonderful afternoon. It was hot. DeLane was paying me back because Danny made him cut wood in the heat of the day. They cut wood all day about 3 weeks ago, and so we joked back and forth about the heat, but actually there was a breeze blowing. It was great to ride in a trailer pulled by a tractor through a field and get to see the beautiful, beautiful jerseys these people have. They're awesome.
Muscadine makes blueberries?
No. Let's go look at the muscadine that makes blueberries. Oh, DeLane, really?
It's got blueberries.
Muscadines that make blueberries.
It growed all up in the blueberry bush.
That's okay. So if you want some fresh milk, butter, cheese, chocolate milk, check out Country Girl Creamery in Lumberton, Mississippi. Thank you guys. Crazy days.